Hi everyone, Dr. Nemechek here. I want to talk a little bit about dyslexia. We have a lot of people come in with that. Um, Sometimes they won't even tell us they have dyslexia. And I think that's because they've been told it's this permanent thing that can't be changed, like your wiring's wrong. And it's kind of like you're left-handed, instead of right-handed. They don't really report that either. But what we've seen over and over again, well, early on with the adults, we were treating, post-concussion syndrome, autonomic damage, things like that with the protocol. And all that's getting better. And then some of these adults would sheepishly kind of say, well, let's make my dyslexia go away, because it has. It's gone. And so we started seeing that. And we have the same positive effect in children, actually. We had another girl here follow up. She'd been on her protocol for about 2.5 years. Mainly started it for ADHD, and she's just on the inulin-based protocol, so inulin, fish oil, olive oil. I saw her on follow-up, and the ADHD and the dyslexia is completely gone. And so we see this, that's about 2.5 years time frame. Now, the improvement was happening continually through that whole process, but it's quite remarkable. It's not rare. So if any of you have dyslexia and you struggle with that, whatever you're doing to help yourself, you could easily, start the protocol, fish oil, olive oil, balance your gut with inulin, or if you're, an adult, you might need a course of rifaximin, and you might very well be surprised. So I think it's safe, inexpensive, well worth it. If nobody's going to help you, maybe fly out here for a visit to Arizona, and I can get you started. And then after the one visit here in Arizona, the follow-ups for about 18 months can be by Skype. And so we can, usually before then, everybody's put back together pretty well. So, all right, everybody have a great day. Take care. Bye.